All right, so it's going to be a little hard to see here. I took a look at this laptop a few weeks ago, and the one thing I noticed, well, first it came in and it wasn't coming up. They had also replaced the display because it was cracked, so we thought, okay, maybe it's a display issue. But even though this display is bad, look at the outside edges here. That's taped just on the sides, and most of this is also taped. There are clips in here, but there's tape. Nothing else holding it down but tape and these clip bezels. And this is an Asus ROG Zephyrus laptop. I'll try and put the actual model in the link description, but for a gaming laptop with a high refresh monitor or relatively decent refresh monitor, you'd think they would be able to do a little better than that. So this customer, the reason it didn't start is it was a battery that was bad. So they're going to go ahead and get a new battery to replace it. And we're going to test it out and see if there's any other issues in here before I get too far into the teardown, because I did measure the battery voltage. The control signal was 3.3 volts, but the battery itself was reading nothing. Charger is good, so we know that's not an issue. Charge port is good, so we're basically looking at that. But what I wanted to show you today was just how that bezel or that screen is just held in by nothing but tape and some clips. This should be a gaming laptop. If this goes in somebody's vehicle, there's a good chance you could pop that loose on a hot day if they leave it out in the car, which again shouldn't do, but even a hot car with no AC because they, spent their money on a gaming laptop and heist or whatever the case may be, that is the worst place you can do wear in a trunk. So I think a couple of screw clips here isn't too much to ask, and a frame around that screen would go a long, long way. Because aside from that, there's only this metal backing plate. And it is fairly rigid, but it's still, that's all that's keeping the screen from flexing or coming loose. So I think Asus, you can probably do better. Maybe this is fixed in a newer version. I don't know. But I just wanted to review that, and I'm going to start putting out some more review videos and just random stuff that I've got here. Next one should be an aquarium pump, and that should be coming up in about another week or so. Until then, enjoy the video, leave your comments below, like and subscribe if you like it or don't. And I look forward to getting the next one out and seeing what you guys have to say about it. Have a great day.